Do you believe that non-IT professionals cannot become a business analyst? If yes, then you must listen to this. I'm going to address top 4 myths or misconceptions about who can become a business analyst and what is needed to become a business analyst. One of the reasons for these misconceptions is the fact that business analyst role is into the IT industry, and it's quite natural to associate technical or programming skills with this role. So let's look at these 4 misconceptions. Let's start with the first one. One must have an IT background to become a business analyst. So not true. There is no such mandate or condition in the IT industry. At Techcanvass, we have seen several hundreds of non-IT professionals becoming business analysts. These professionals were from travel, banking, insurance, technical writing, airlines like non-IT backgrounds. So how did they do it? There is a structured approach for becoming a business analyst. I'm going to provide 2 links in the description. One video is going to talk specifically about how to become a BA and a roadmap for the same. The other one is my interview with an air hostess who became a business analyst, and now she is working with a top financial company in the United States of America. The second misconception. One must have domain knowledge to become a business analyst. Now, it is true that domain knowledge is important for every business analyst, but that does not mean that you need to have domain knowledge to become a business analyst. The entry-level business analysts could be generalists who don't need to have any specific domain knowledge like on banking, on insurance, or any similar such domain. There are specific roles even like UAT coordinators where stakeholder collaboration and BA skills are enough to qualify you for that particular role. Now let's talk about the third one. You must learn Python, Tableau and R to become a business analyst. Now this impression has developed because of the general nature of the term business analyst. Business analyst is used in several contexts. It is used in the data analytics world. It is used in the consulting industry. It is also used in specific software application initiatives. Please note that tools and skills like Python, Tableau, and R are only required if you're going to work in the data analytics or business analytics domains. Otherwise, these are not required for a business analyst. So what do you need to learn to become a business analyst? Well, some of the key skills which are required are requirements elicitation, agile-related skills and techniques, UML modeling, SDLCs, etc. Now finally, the last one. Cracking a certification will ensure a job. Again, far from the truth. Certifications are useful, but there are 2 primary reasons for the certifications. 1. In the job search, certifications help in differentiating your resume. That means that you have better chances of getting your resume shortlisted. Secondly, the IABA salary surveys, both for 2020 and 2019, suggests that getting certified does help in gaining confidence and performing better at job. So do the certifications for the right reasons. Certifications do not equal jobs. These were some of the most common misconceptions about business analyst profile. I must add, though, that the business analyst is definitely a good profile and has a bright future. So please go ahead, but remember, there is no shortcut. Thank you for listening to me.